a beautiful sunny day, remote villages and motorcycles. What else could you wish for?
Whoa! 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 Aynen. Gönül izni olacak.
Good morning from Bulgaria. Yours truly, the gypsy camp, has risen.
Good morning from sunny and hot Bulgaria. The night was, as you can see my nose, pretty cold. Near 0 degrees, I would say.
You drank too much.
Yeah. Look at him.
Check your stories.
Let's go into his house.
Luxury apartment.
Luxury apartments made by Arvids.
A very nice camp spot in Bulgaria, but also very, very cold. And the Dominator is working. Both Dominators. Two Dominators are working. Dr. Big, come on. It's like with a lady.
Tā bija, ka mēs grāmējamies nos, domājam, ka manēv nepielīdz beigās āņš, līdz iekšā galīgi nav. Šito negribētu tiek augstā. Varētu būt smagākajiem no šie visiem. 242 bez benzīna. Nostēri.
Tērauda čuguna rāmi. Yes, dziesmā ir.
With enough of side quests behind us, we're finally on the main one, which is riding the transeurotrail. And here it cuts to the chase straight away.
Ooh, no fuck.
I know, it never looks steep on camera, but trust me, it's bloody steep.
Vairāk bišķiņ iešūpin. Jā, labi.
Amazing stuff.
Zirdziņi. Nice. Rīta rosa. Vai ne?
Jā, viss ir tā.
Ainars, what time is it?
It's time for pancakes. It's pancake time.
That's what grown men do on Sundays.
Sundays are days for pancakes in most families, I would.
And in our dysfunctional family as well.
Yeah. Skaties, kas man somiņā. This four-man family. Skaties, kas man somiņā. Balmier mūžā.
You heard the man. It's Sunday and it's pancake time on this big budget adventure.
Oh, you've got tools.
What more do you need? Pancakes, sunshine, a little beer, and life is good again.
Okay, thank you, Einars, for the pancake. Yeah, very good pancake. With a view. Lauksimā.
Bulgaria is a bit of a mystery for us. We really don't know what to expect from it. On maps, it looks somewhat mountainous, with two big snow-capped ranges, the Pirin and Rila national parks, in the middle of it. And we are aiming to ride the part of Bulgarian TET that threads through these parts. Fingers crossed the weather stays dry and sunny, like now. Yeah. For now, it all reminds me a little bit of Latvian forest. Sure, a little bit more hilly, but still, classic Latvian forest trails.
Stop, uzmanās, tas viss. Var pareizi viss, jā?
Stipa, jā, bet nu...
Tad ir veči. Bet slīd.
There's some hiking shit right there. Fuck me.
Lejai vēl tālu.
Varam haikeriem papusīt. Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Vajadzēja filmēt šo.
Historic. Tas ir.
Ar kūtiņām izskatās vienkārši. Pēc gluduma spriežot šito vecanie romieši likuši ceļu. Bulgāri diez vai šādi.
Jā, tik labi, ne?
Ainars saka, ka vajag labi.
Tik krūtis no tā mājām vēl braukt.
Jā.
This reminds me of India.
That was a fun biking trail. But now, onwards. After the epic above the tree line Greece, these forest roads might seem a bit boring. But that's exactly the moment we should pinch ourselves and remind ourselves that we get to ride motorcycles while others must sit in an office at the same time. One tends to forget the privilege way too easily. And for now, everything's just peachy. The sun is shining, the golden autumn is preparing for its comeback, and the bikes are working. What more could you wish for? The thick forest means we don't get much of views. But who said that we can't find a lookout and look out at the forest we are riding in? Just requires a little hike.
Nu, Andri, viegli? Jā. Ar kā cietiem zābaciņiem? Puls uz 200?
Bet ne zābaciņi. Zābaka operators sūdīgs.
We, the motorcyclists, should hike more, because some places can be reached only by foot. Take this one, the view of the Dospat Reservoir and the surrounding Rodope Mountains. Beautiful. Okay, onwards, on to our next goal, to find a nice place to camp. This feels almost too relaxing. Let's...
Wow! Wow! Aina, kyllä viisi nolkaa. Miksi samet aina? Hyvä tavataan.
Yeah, let's still keep attention to the road. We don't want injuries in this remote part of Bulgaria.
Ja, tas bija labi. Es nofilmēju. Jā. Tā čuriņa aizgāja.
We're not exactly riding rally machines here. But you know, you can remove rally from a bike, but you can't remove it from us. Yeah, we do love it rough once in a while.
Joo. Tas ir labs.
Tas nav nekā labāk, vai elektroauto?
Bēdas pēkšņas. Labi, braukšu pa ceļu.
Paņem sārti,
Bedra.
It's not that there's a lack of trees for our hammocks in these forests, but let's look for something more special. It's getting dark, and it's still not quiet in the intercom. Some things never change.
Arī nav tālāk.
By now, you might have noticed that we are very picky about our camp spots. This tree is no good, that tree is no good. Somebody must have overheard our princess thoughts and offered us a cabin.
Varam palikt te? Tā jau nav slikti. Lūdzu. O, te ir silts. Evo, paliekam šeit. Gultas tur ir, viss tur krāsnis. Tas viens tikai.
So it looks like we are staying at this place here. Apparently it's free to use for anyone
Free for us.
hiking in the mountains. Apparently, I'm not sure, but door was open. There was some overlanding stickers, so might be free. Yeah, we'll try it.
Aina, show us our accommodation.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'll give you the tour of the place where I haven't been before. So basically, there's the door. You open it up, and these guys have been here before us. Let's go inside. Welcome to my crib. So this actually looks quite good as a mountain hut. Yeah.
There's fireplace, there's sleeping.
It looks like it is free to use for anyone hiking or motorcycling or whatever doing in this mountain.
And most importantly, Einars.
Yeah. There is toilet paper. That's a good sign. Let's have a look. What it looks like inside. So this is our place for tonight. That is the filmmaker guy. There is some fireplace, tables, everything what you need. Basically, there's like even some stuff to cook. So yeah, we'll stay here.
My Bulgarian might be a little bit rusty, but I think this sign says, "Welcome motorcyclists. Please enjoy your stay." Yeah, I know I'm more of a wild camp type of a guy, but this ain't bad. Not bad at all. Those in the distance are the mountains of Rila National Park, a vast alpine area that we need to cross tomorrow. The weather forecast says, nah, doesn't say anything. No reception at this cabin. So let that be a worry for another day. And another episode of this big budget adventure. Just a quick reminder, if you want to see these videos a week earlier, you're welcome to support this channel by becoming a member or a Patreon. Or if you want to watch all the episodes of this season in one go, you can do so on MeTV. Links in description. See you in the next one.